Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do an unboxing to show you all of Topeak's Swing-up DX bike holder. So this is it on the wall. I've already put one up and I'll show you how it works in a minute, but this is how it comes in the box. So this is a Swing-up DX. There is a Swing-up, but the difference between the DX and the normal Swing-up is the DX. You can move your bike in increments of 15 degrees. So you have to pull this down and then you can move your bike in increments of 15 degrees. Like that. Whereas the normal one doesn't have this. So let's just show you what's in the box. Some basic instructions there, in several different languages. You've got your oil plugs and your, I think those are stainless steel screws actually, for attaching it to the wall. So there's the main bracket itself, and it's quite sturdy in all fairness. It's a good bit of kit. They're not cheap. I think this one's, because this is the DX and it's got the adjustable bit on the bottom, I think it's about 15 to 20 pounds more expensive than the normal one. But that comes up like that. So that's all plastic. That's aluminium. This is all plastic, and then the main body of it there is all aluminium, and then you've got that plastic pull down switch there which alternates it between 15 degrees, and then it's mounted with 2 screws that go into the wall there, which are countersunk, and then the bottom bracket there is where your tyre goes, and that goes into there. Pretty much how it comes. I've had 3 because I've got 3 bikes to go up. So that's the outside of the packaging. Remember, that's the difference between a Swing-up and a Swing-up DX. Okay, the normal one, there are no increments of 15 degrees. So let's just summarise what you get in the box. So that's everything. That's the main unit itself. That's for your tyre, your instructions, and the screws. And I thought, looking at these when I put them on the wall, that they weren't big enough, but they seem fine, to be honest. I'll show you my bike on the wall. So there it is at the moment. I've got a Lapierre Zesty on there. Let's see if we can swing this around with one hand. So if I pull that down now, that lets you swing it round. And then it locks. So I can't move it anymore now. So that's gone round 15 degrees. If I pull it down again, push it, that's another 15 degrees. Whoops, trip over it. If you have a look at it there, that's pretty much square on. And then if I wanted to move that round completely, I think the only thing I'm not so keen on this is, in hindsight, is it won't swing round all the way in one go. You have to keep holding this button down here. So if I hold it down completely, there we go, push the bike round. There we go. So it's nearly parallel to the wall. So my aim is to put 3 on the wall. So I've got 1 in the middle, and then I'm going to put 1 there and 1 there. But what you got to remember, if you're putting more than 1 up, is to stagger them. Otherwise your handlebars will catch. So the next one I put up is going to be like so. otherwise your handlebars will catch if they're this close. Okay, so I hope that's informative. It would have been handy to see this before I bought them, but I think my opinion of them at the moment, I haven't had much use out of them, but from what I've seen, they're a really nice bit of kit, well made, and they've got, or they will do, they'll get 3 bikes out of the way. So if you're stuck for room, I think these are really good. There we go, that's all 3 of them put up. I've only got 2 bikes on there. We mentioned earlier in the video that I would have to stagger them. So if you see there, the handlebars just miss, but make sure if you're putting more than one up, you stagger them. The other thing I didn't mention is the weight. So these are compatible with bikes up to 16 kilograms. So I would say if you've got something like an e-bike, it's not going to be any good for you. So it's 16 kilograms or 35 pounds. It's a reasonable weight. And the other thing is you've got to take into consideration is the width of your tyre. Now I run on my bike here 2.35 inch tyres, which are the maximum width you can use. So if you're running tyres that are any wider than that, they will not fit in that bit there. Okay, so before you go ahead and buy one, make sure your bike isn't heavier than 16 kilograms. Make sure your tyres aren't wider than 2.35. I think you can't have a height of more than 8 centimeters for your tyre. Okay, so if the height of your tyre from here to here is more than 8 centimeters, it will not fit here. Okay, so that's the finished product. Nice bit of kit, well worth getting in my opinion.